What is up, dudes? Today I'm going to show you my new Lamborghini car. Is a Ventador and it is too blurry for my iPad. For me, actually, I don't have any eye problem. You know. The Lamborghini is so cool. It's so very cool. I really like it. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and see you later. Bye. Peace out.